Procrastination is a common challenge. Many people delay important tasks and feel stuck. But today, AI can help us overcome procrastination step by step. First, AI tools help you plan your day. They organize tasks by priority. You can create a clear to-do list using AI apps. This makes your work easier to start. Next, AI reminds you to stay focused. Many AI apps send notifications or break your work into small parts. This reduces feeling overwhelmed and helps you keep moving forward. AI also helps by breaking big tasks into smaller steps. When a task looks easier, you're less likely to delay it. AI suggests what to do first and guides you to the next step. Another way AI assists is by blocking distractions. Some AI tools limit access to social media or websites when you work. This keeps your mind on the task and improves productivity. If you feel stuck or confused, AI can give quick answers and advice. You can ask AI for help with ideas or solutions anytime. This saves time and keeps your momentum. Finally, AI tracks your progress. It shows how much work you have done and motivates you to finish. Seeing progress encourages you to keep going and avoid procrastination. In summary, AI helps with planning, focus, task management, distraction control, quick help, and tracking. Using these features makes it easier to start and complete work on time. Try using AI tools today to beat procrastination and achieve your goals faster.